Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're headed out to Tuscumbia, Alabama for Sean Harding's Beast of the Southeast series number 7 at the SHARC Raceway. So I'm all by myself. The pit chick's not feeling good, so I'm headed out by myself. It's 5:20. We're gonna try to get there and get some practice laps in, and we'll try to get you some footage, so stay tuned.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education.
Here we are at SHARC Raceway for the Sean Harding Beast of the Southeast. And I'm here just in time because I really gotta pee. So we're gonna pull in here and see if we can find us a spot for the trailer, get it set up and get started.
Try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though.
Four down, 10 to go. .430 down, 130 to go. Hammer top of the board. 14 lapper right now. Rachel and Paul duking it out. Some Padres from Illinois coming down. 5 down, 1 to go. Alright guys, keep going until your name is called.
The hammer done. Rider trotter done.
Hey everybody, here we are in the trailer. I just ran round number 1. Did pretty good. I got the win on the first heat, but a couple of the fast guys broke out, so I was able to make a clean run. Somewhat consistent. I had a few mistakes when I started thinking about it. So you can see I didn't have the right tire with me. I just happened to have an old set of blue subcultures, which I don't think they even make anymore. So I mounted those up just for the hell of it. I didn't have nothing else to do. So there they are right there. Those are old school. These are probably about 10 or 12 years old. if I had to guess. They come in the whole package. I'll show you the package in. They actually came with the trailer when I bought it. Here's the whole package. Probably hadn't seen that in a while. That's the J Concept. Actually, these are crossbows, but I got another set up there that are subcultures. This was a really good tire to run back in the day, and they're still good. I was surprised how good they were. So anyway, getting ready to run the second round here. Hopefully I can drive a little better, a little smoother, and see how we'll do. Stay tuned.
$120 down, $440 to go. We got Trevor 1, Ryder 2, the Hammer 3, Jeremy 4, Logan 5, Rachel 6, Paul 7. Oh, that's right. We got the mix of the Pro Nitro and Sports Nitro. So Trevor Michael top of the board right now. Reset TQ. Ryder Trotter in the 2, Hammer in the 3, Jeremy in the 4. And then leading the way right now on the Sports Nitro is Mr. Logan Powell. Rachel Butcher in the 2, Paul in the 3, DJ in the 4, Queen 10 in the 5, Lydia in the 6. My bad. So Logan would be in second place right now. There's the pro class.
Well, that was round 2. It didn't go so well. The car was good. The driver was driving like an idiot. I just was pushing it when I shouldn't have been pushing it. At the track, it's deteriorated a little bit and got a little dried out. So I really need to drive a little smoother and easier, and I did not. So I had a lot of mistakes. So there's the car. It's looking pretty good. Drive really great. It's just the traction's not there, so you got to drive a little different, and I didn't do it that time. So I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up, go through the clutch, clean the tires off, and then we'll try again to try to be smoother in the main and be a little calmer. I think maybe it'll go well. So see you in a minute. There you go. Second place. Pretty tough race. It started off really rough, and then I calmed down and just started driving smooth. I went all the way to the back at the beginning. Just started making smooth, clean laps. I came back up to the front, had the lead for a second. I thought Jeremy and I were going to get the battle out for a minute, just like old times. And I started making stupid mistakes and let him pull away. So pretty happy with second. Could have been better, just a few mistakes, but look, for an old man, I thought I did pretty good. I said like I said, the middle of the race where I calmed down and just drove smooth was really good and consistent, and that's what I need. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.